Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Rick in the Bayou on this RCI-2950CD radio number 2. Rick, we got it ready to go. I'm just going to get right to it. RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug, half-watt carrier, so you got full adjustability if you decide to run an amp, 5 watts all the way up, 100-watt slug, show you average power swing first. Hello, 18 bird, peak power, hello, 39 peak. Alright Rick, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bye-bye.